Punta Cana is a premier resort town on the eastern tip of the Dominican Republic, renowned for its 48 kilometers, 30 miles, of white sand beaches lined with coconut palms, turquoise waters facing both the Caribbean Sea and Atlantic Ocean, and status as the second most visited tourist spot in Latin America. 123. Key facts and geography. Location and administration. In La Altagracia province, politically incorporated as the Verón, Punta Cana Touristic Municipal District in 2006, population around 139,000, 2022 census. 1. Beaches, stretches from Uvero Alto, north, to Cap Cana, south, including Bávaro, a blue flag certified beach for cleanliness, Macau, Harina Gorda, El Cortocito, and others, over 30 miles total, with shallow, safe marine pools. 123. Marine life, home to the Dominican Republic's longest coral reef, over 18 miles, rich with fish, turtles, and ideal for snorkeling. 2. Climate, hot year-round, especially late summer/autumn, mildly windy 100 kilometers coastline. 1. Tourism and infrastructure. Airport, Punta Cana International Airport, PUJ, the busiest in the Caribbean, over 2.4 million passengers in 2014, handling 64% of DR flights. Privately built in 1984 by Grupo Punta Cana, the first private international airport in the Western Hemisphere. 134. Resorts and golf, over 50 mega-resorts, mostly Spanish-owned, including the Caribbean's largest, 26 world-class golf courses by designers like Jack Nicklaus. 123. Activities, water-based, snorkeling, scuba, catamaran cruises, swimming with dolphins/sharks, land options, safari, horseback, dune buggies, day trips to Sayona/Catalina Islands, Higüey Basilica, or Santo Domingo, 2.5 hours away. 1. Other draws, Marina Cap Cana for cruises, spas, including Six Senses, shopping in Bávaro/Verón. 13. Development and culture growth, purchased in 1969 by Punta Cana Group, rapid tourism boom with planned communities like Punta Cana Village. Verón is a larger, spontaneous urban area. 1. Economy, tourism-driven, connected by Oscar de la Renta, Coral, Highway to La Romana, 1 hour, and Capital. 3. For travel tips, specific beaches, or comparisons to other spots, let me know. Here are more Punta Cana facts, grouped so you can skim. 1. Location and geography. Punta Cana sits at the easternmost tip of the Dominican Republic, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Caribbean Sea. It's part of La Altagracia province, sharing the area with the historic city of Higüey. The broader resort zone runs north-south from Uvero Alto down to Cap Cana, with Bávaro in the middle. 2. Beaches and nature. The coastline is famous for powdery white sand and very clear, turquoise water. Long, shallow areas protected by offshore coral reefs, so the water near shore is usually calm. Bávaro Beach often appears in lists of the best beaches in the Caribbean and has earned Blue Flag certification for water quality and environmental standards. The coral reef system off Punta Cana is the longest continuous reef in the Dominican Republic, roughly 18 miles, attracting snorkelers and divers. Inland you'll find mangroves and coastal lagoons, small patches of tropical dry forest and coconut groves. Marine life includes tropical reef fish, rays, sea turtles, and seasonal visits from humpback whales farther up the coast, Samama region, reachable on excursions. 3. Climate and weather. Tropical climate all year, daytime temps generally 28 to 32 degrees Celsius, 82 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean temperature is warm most of the year, usually around 26 to 29 degrees Celsius, 79 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 broad seasons, dry, season, roughly April, more sun, lower humidity. Rainier season, roughly May NOV, short, heavy showers, hot and humid, plus Atlantic hurricane season risk, ESP August, October. Trade winds keep coastal areas breezy, which helps with the heat and is good for kitesurfing and sailing. 4. Tourism and resorts. Punta Cana is one of the top resort destinations in the Americas. Dominated by all-inclusive resorts along the beach, many are Spanish hotel chains, Barcelo, Melia, Riu, Iberostar, etc. Options range from budget-friendly family hotels to luxury adults-only and boutique properties. Most resorts function like self-contained towns, on-site restaurants, bars, shows, kids clubs, and often nightclubs and casinos. Multiple pools, some with water parks or lazy rivers. Golf is a big draw, more than 24 golf courses in the broader area, some designed by Jack Nicklaus, Tom Fazio, P.B. Dye, and others. Courses like Punta Espada and Corrales are known for dramatic oceanfront holes. 5. Transportation and Airport. Punta Cana International Airport, PUJ, one of the busiest airports in the Caribbean. Built and operated privately by Grupo Punta Cana, unusual for an international gateway. Designed with open-air terminals and palm-thatched roofs to fit the TRO.